Okay, so for the part that I left off, because sometimes it won't show up, like, the video, so you see how it's playing for me. This is what I went to, because sometimes it won't show no videos, so, let me go like this. Go back, I'm on my tablet, and, let me see if it will. Oh, no. Okay, so, let me stop this. So, you go back. So I want you to like coming from. You see how I'm in the systems? Go to add on, right? And then you can say install. I put install from Kodi TV, Now I put videos. And you can pick any of these, like the TVs. Like you can put any one you want. I put Pluto TV, because you can watch TV. And they got NASA, they got all these channels you can pick. Okay? And you just say install. But let's get to the movies part. Let me show you how to put the movies on there. On here. Hold on. Because ain't no movies popping up on my part. So let me see. You see, here go the movies parts. The movies are not popping up like how it's just blank screen. You could put either one you want. You could put shadow. I never use shadow. Yeah, you can pick any of these. Let's just put this one. I never use this one, so install. You can pick any of these so they can show the movies. I never use none of these. Yeah. See, they will install. You go back to Super Tablet. And you can also pick the programs to see what type of programs, I showed you guys earlier. Let me go back and let's go. We should go home. Oh, yeah. Come on. You see how it says system? But let's go to live TV. Because at first, it was just like a blank screen for y'all. Not movies, not yet. Hold on. But this is on my tablet, so let's go to. Okay, live TV. See, sometimes this don't pop up, so sometimes you just have to just go to your add-ons. Let's go to system. Let's just go to system because sometimes it won't pop up, so you gotta go click your add-ons. Add on what is this? System. I don't know what this is doing, but it's picking the wrong thing. Okay, this is tripping. Okay, let me just go here. Yeah, because sometimes it will show. Let's see if it's in video. Man. See, I'm on my tablet, so do not mind that. Let me see. Okay, let me see. No. And then sometimes you can click down here. If it lets me, girl. Man. I don't know why you keep going here. Let's go back. How do I go back? Let me see. Because we can close this. Let's just close it. Man. Let's just close that like that. Let's reopen kodi. And y'all could totally pick a different board, build. I just click this. I go to system and I go to add-on, right? So I can see my add-ons I just added. You could say videos, add-ons. Boom. My add-ons are right there. So let's go to live TV. Pluto. Open. And then you can on-demand live. Let's just go to live. Boom. And I don't know what channel. Let me see. I just clicked the channel. You see my tablet is doing the most. There you go. There you go. You got it. You're all set.